Well, hello everyone. Yes, I've been in Skiathos, Greece, and I've hired an e-bike. Hardtail Bosch Active Line Plus, 29-inch wheels, €25 for the day. No deposit and all you need is an ID card.
Yeah, this is a life, isn't it? I'm just going to ride round the old town, see what I can see. See if anyone complains. How nice is this? Oh, jeez. Can't ride through the restaurant, obviously.
It's completely road legal with a 15.5 mile/hour cutout.
Tourists stepping in front of you because you don't hear me sneak up on them. This was full of the pretty people. It's all very nice, but it's very touristy. I mean, it's just nothing but bars and bike rentals where you find all the English.
I'm just going to show you these little back paths, and then I'll be taking the bike up to the top of Makita Peak, which is like 3 miles straight up. That's the plan anyway. Half the roads in Skaithos are actually dirt tracks, but they're still part of the road network. I'm a freaking useless Brit and I keep passing mopeds on the wrong side of the path. Side streets are rammed with diners at night. It's really nice. Okay, I'm going to say it. How cute is this?
Oh my god. Cycling sign there. Oh well.
Before I went to the peak, I got quite a surprise round the corner. Let's see how fast it accelerates in turbo. Not bad, all the way up to 15 miles an hour. It's the airport. I think this might be the one where everyone waits for the planes to take off over their heads. I'm not sure it's a good idea to stand here. Okay, this is just a propeller plane, so no setting fire to the bike. They said it's okay because it's a propeller plane, but still, let's see how it goes. Oh, just a light breeze, that one. Okay, in she comes. It looks really low. This woman says that those people have no idea what's about to happen. Foot on the bike just in case. It wasn't that bad actually, but I wasn't standing in the main blast. A shrine to lost hats, I presume. I just cannot believe how well this thing rolls. 29-inch road tyres. They're unbelievable, there's no drag. This is 3 miles straight up. Let's see if I can do it. Here we go, Sky Sea Resort. Just already turbo engaged. And it's bumpy as well to make it worse. No fucking chance. Even in turbo, it's just stupidly steep. 30 degrees in the middle of the day. Too hot to be pedaling that hard. I'm going to try a slightly easier loop around the north of the island. Some good views.
See how this goes. turbo. Oh, hello. Yeah. It's not too bad. Just take it really easy. Oh, so it's like a 1 in 3. Gained a good bit of height there, but I was in bottom gear, turbo the all the way. But I'm not too out of breath. Just can't afford to put that much energy in this heat. Stopped off by a very picturesque container. No shade anywhere. Just gonna pour water all over myself. Oh, well, I don't like the look of this. Why am I going downhill? Why is that then? To check that I'm pedalling fast enough. Dirt tracky. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, it's so fucking steep. There's actually a tiny little bit of shade from the fence. Unbearable. I've got factor 50 on. I'm only on road tyres here, but you know, they're doing fine. Oh! Bloody hell. Really? Oh my God. Jesus Christ. No way. Some kind of warning sign. Jesus, that's steep. Come on, bike. Get me out there. Not more of it, okay. Just keeps going. Stop for a breather. God, that's steep.
I'm going to follow the coast as best as I can with some little tracks right next to the cliff edges. Funnily enough, 29-inch skinny tyres are just as much trouble as fat tyres. In fact, I think they're actually a little bit worse. I think this is Lalaria Beach.
Oh wow, it's the airport. Cool. I don't know where I'm going, I'm just going with the flow.
Goddamn tourists.
Whoa, whoa. It's too hot for this. Have I mentioned that, it being too hot? Some beautiful place, isn't it? Just totally Mediterranean.
Okay, I'm going to ride back to Skiathos, but I'm going to the back of the town at the top and I'm going to ride down through where all the bars are.
How Greek is this? Oh my God. It's almost like you're in Greece. Whee! Oh. No, don't think so. Oh my God. Seriously. Jeez.
I'm not too good with this side stand. Here's the trendy bars at night.
No. Ding ding. Thank you.
Yeah, so I was really impressed with the motor. It's very quiet. Got me over some stupidly steep hills. Actually rode the bike all the way along the road from one end of the island to the other and back, and it worked perfectly. Of course, I need my bbshd. I also had a quad for 2 days, and it was €70, no deposit. 300cc, pretty pokey. They're only 2-wheel drive, but you don't need anything else. The hire company were awesome. The first quad packed in because we overfilled it with petrol. They arrived in 5 minutes and just gave us a new quad and swapped the petrol over. Then I got a puncher on the remote tracks. 15 minutes later we were on another quad. It's a great way to see the island, and the tracks can be pretty challenging even for an experienced rider. I'll post a full video of the entire trip later. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you again next week.
Don't get kicked by the donkey.